Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix MTN cannot port number. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your app drawer and open up the MTN app or the Momo app on your device. Once you're here, what you'll have to do is make sure that the country that you are staying in is correct, and then what you can try and do is keep your old network SIM inside your phone until the port process finishes. Then what you can do is turn off automatic network selection in your phone settings. For that, head over to your quick settings and then head over to settings on your device. From here, what you'll have to do is tap on Wi-Fi and internet and then tap on SIMs and then turn off automatic data switching or automatic SIM selection. The other thing that you must do is head over to your quick settings, tap on your power icon, restart your device and check again. However, if the issue still persists, then what you can try and do is head over to your app drawer, search for the MTN app, long press on it, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. If the issue still persists, what you can try and do is visit a local service center to reach out to customer care. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.